Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to PMDC online lecture room. I am Waqar Ahmad, Assistant Professor, Pak Studies. Today's topic is very interesting and we discuss about the objectives, or we can say that need for economic planning, or we can say that the importance of economic planning. So the question arises in our mind that what is economic planning? My dear students, we better know that in all over the world we can divide the economy into three parts. Number one, developed economy. Number two, developing economy. And the third one is the underdeveloped economy. So, the objectives of all these economies are same. So, to achieve all these determinants, all these objectives, every country adopts an effective planning, which is called economic planning. So, now we discuss the importance of economic planning, or we can say that what is the need for economic planning. The first and very important point and the very important objective of economic planning is the increase in national income. We can say that national income is very necessary for the economic development, and we can judge the economic condition of every country with its national income. If the national income level of a country is high, so we can say that that country is developed, or we can say that that country is achieve the objectives of economic planning. So if the national income level is high, we can say that economic development is going on. The second and very important point is the increase in per capita income. We achieve the figure of per capita income because per capita income, this is a single value, this is a single figure which we obtain by when we divide the national income by population, we can get the figure of per capita income. This is the single value, but this value represents the economic condition of a country, that either the country is developed, developing, or underdeveloped. A very simple example जो मैं आपके सामने पेश करना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि the per capita income of USA is round about $7,500 and Pakistan is around about $970. So the difference is very clear. The per capita income level of USA and other advanced countries is very high, but the per capita income of Pakistan and like other developing countries is very low. So this is the main objective of economic planning, to increase the level of per capita income. The third point is rise in saving. Remember that saving is very important for the development of an economy, and in Pakistan the required saving rate is 40%, but unfortunately the saving rate of Pakistan is 17%. So effective planning is very necessary, rather compulsory, to rise the ratio of saving in Pakistan. The next point is encourage investment. Investment is the most important indicator for the economic development, and in Pakistan the all kinds of investment is very necessary. So when investment rises, so the income of the people rises, and when income rises, the saving rate rises, and when saving rises, the investment again rises. So this is a circle, and when we see that if investment rises in every country, so the economy of that country boosts up. So we can say that economic investment is the most important indicator for the economic development. The next point is control of inflation, and nowadays we see that Pakistan, जो हम पाकिस्तान के हवाले से बात करें, Pakistan faces the situation of hyperinflation, which is more than 30%. So the inflation rate is not more than 4%, which is called creeping inflation. So inflation is the major economic disease for the economic development. So effective monetary and fiscal policy, with the help of effective and monetary and fiscal policy, we can control the inflation. The next point is that equal distribution of wealth. In a planned economy, in a developed economy, there is no gap between the rich and poor, and the distribution of wealth remains equal. But we see that there are, हम जो फील करते हैं कि पाकिस्तान में दो तबके हो जाते हैं, अमीर से अमीर और गरीब से गरीब तक. सो इस चीज़ का खात्मा जो है वो इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग के जरिए किया जा सकता है. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज द फेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड एंड बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट. Balance of trade and balance of payment, this is the systematic record of the import and export bill of a country. So exports of a country, जो exports हैं किसी भी मुल्क के, वो ज़्यादा होने चाहिए, हमारा एक्सपोर्ट बिल ज़्यादा होना चाहिए और हमारा इंपोर्ट बिल कम होना चाहिए. ऐसा ना हो कि इंपोर्ट बिल ज़्यादा हो और एक्सपोर्ट बिल कम हो, तो फिर हमें डेफिसिट का सामना करना पड़ेगा. सो टू अचीव द फेवरेबल बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड, बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट, monetary and fiscal policies plays a vital role in the economic development. The next and point is the effective monetary and fiscal policy. This is very important point which we discussed, that in a planned economy, monetary and fiscal policies plays a very effective and vital role in the economic development. Monetary policy किससे कहते हैं? Any policy which is adopted, controlled and authorized by the central authority, central bank, this is called monetary policy. And every policy which is adopted, controlled and authorized by the government authority, this is called fiscal policy. And both the policies plays a vital role in the economic development. So in the last असाइनमेंट के तौर पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनके जवाब आप ज़रा सोच समझ के दीजिएगा. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन इंडिविजुअल प्लानिंग एंड इकोनॉमिक प्लानिंग. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज राइट अ नोट ऑन द इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ वेल्थ इन द इकोनॉमी. एंड द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, इन योर ओपिनियन आइदर द फिस्कल एंड मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी प्ले अ वाइटल रोल इन द इकोनॉमी. सो दिस इज द एंड, and thank you very much